If you're wondering how to sign PDFs from your phone without downloading any apps, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you a few methods that let you sign PDFs directly on your phone without the need for extra apps. Stay tuned till the end, because I've got a useful tool for you, and I'll reveal how you can try it for free. Let's start with the most accessible option. If you're using an iPhone, you can sign a PDF directly in the built-in preview tool. First, open the PDF in the Files app or any email app and select the document. Tap the markup tool, then hit the pen icon to draw your signature. You can use your finger or a stylus to write directly on the document. Once you've signed, tap Done, and you're good to go. It's simple and built right into your phone, no need for extra software. On Android, you've got a similar built-in option. Open your PDF in Google Drive. Tap the pencil icon to open it in the markup editor. And again, you can use your finger or a stylus to sign the document. Once done, save the file and your signature is right there. It's a quick method and doesn't require you to download any third-party apps either. If you prefer something even simpler or you're working with a more complex document, I recommend checking out the software we'll be using in this tutorial. This software works on both Android and iOS and makes signing PDFs as easy as clicking a few buttons. It's extremely efficient and provides a clean signature, even if you're dealing with multiple pages. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try it out in the description below, so make sure to grab that. This software is designed to make document signing hassle-free, offering an easy-to-navigate interface and ensuring that your signature looks professional. And remember, if you want to follow along, check the description for the free trial. It's available exclusively to viewers of my channel. A quick reminder, in case you missed it, open your PDF in the native tools on iPhone or Android for simple signings. But for a more professional experience, I highly recommend trying the software in the description, especially if you sign PDFs regularly. To recap, you've learned how to sign PDFs from your phone with no extra apps using built-in tools on iPhone and Android. And I've shared a better option using software that streamlines the entire process. Don't forget to grab that free trial in the description and take advantage of it if you sign PDFs often. The key takeaway? You don't need an app to sign PDFs on your phone, but if you're looking for a more efficient solution, there's software that can help and you can try it for free today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.